Tensions between the United States and China are once again dominating global headlines. President Donald Trump has defended his decision to impose a 100% tariff on Chinese goods, calling it temporary but necessary to pressure Beijing ahead of crucial trade talks. In an interview with Fox Business Network, Trump admitted the move was extreme, but said he had no choice. "It's not sustainable," he said, "but that's what the number is. They forced me to do that." US President added that he would meet Chinese President Xi Jinping in 2 weeks, and that he believed things will be fine with China. On October 10th, Trump announced that starting November 1st, the United States would impose a 100% tariff on all Chinese goods, on top of existing duties. He posted on Truth Social that the move was in response to China's unprecedented stance. Trump also said the US would implement export controls on any and all critical software, intensifying the economic standoff. The announcement came shortly after Beijing tightened its export controls on rare earth minerals, materials vital for smartphones, electric vehicles, and even military equipment. With China producing more than 70% of the world's rare earth supply, the decision has reignited fears of global shortages and supply chain disruptions. This latest escalation marks another chapter in a trade relationship that swung from confrontation to compromise. Earlier this year, Trump raised tariffs on Chinese imports as high as 145%, prompting Beijing to retaliate with tariffs of up to 125% on US goods. But after talks, both sides scaled back, bringing US tariffs down to 30% and China's to 10%. Now Trump insists the new 100% tariff isn't permanent. He describes it as leverage, a way to ensure fair negotiations when he meets Xi Jinping in South Korea. Despite his tough stance, Trump praised Xi, calling him a strong leader and an amazing man, even as he accused China of ripping off the US for years. Trade analysts warn that such steep tariffs could increase consumer prices and unsettle global markets, especially industries dependent on rare earth materials. Yet Trump maintains that the pressure is needed to secure what he calls a fair deal for American businesses and workers. With the November 1st deadline fast approaching, the world watches closely. Will Trump's high-stakes tariff gamble bring China back to the table, or push the two economic giants toward another trade war?